Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Proverbs 265. Proverb today is a rising tide lifts all boats. Okay, if somebody wants a screenshot, do it now. All right, let's get right to it. If someone says a rising tide lifts all boats, it is usually used to emphasize the economic theory that an improved economy helps people at all levels of society. Basically the poor, middle class, rich, etc. And that the country's economic policies should be more broad to raise the economy in general. It can also mean a good outcome or good result benefits everyone. So it lifts all boats, as the tide goes up, obviously the boats go up with it. So this is kind of the idea. Let's continue. The origin of this proverb is often attributed to JFK, John F. Kennedy, because he used it in a speech, a 1963 speech, to defend a dam project he was supporting. However, in a book called Counselor, A Life at the Edge of History, by former speechwriter Ted Sorensen, admitted it was a phrase he found by chance and took it from the Regional Chamber of Commerce, the New England Council. So technically, maybe they coined it. And he took it from that, and then Kennedy used it a lot. It was one of the slogans Kennedy adopted, and he used it often. So he might have used it about other things as well. It is still often used by politicians, speechwriters, journalists, etc., to defend things such as, tax cuts by politicians, and other government policies, basically. So it's used a lot in the political world. You often hear somebody say, a rising tide lifts all boats, meaning, well, if you can do this, it helps the whole situation, helps everybody in it. All right, let's continue. And, all right, some others say it came from a similar phrase written by Wen Kang, an author from the Qing dynasty, so of course in China, which basically meant as the tide rises, all boats are lifted. So, in Chinese, when it's translated to English, more or less means that. All right, let's continue. And we just give two examples here. Those tax cuts have given a spark, like a spark of energy, to all sectors. Sectors means, each different section of the economy, and provided jobs for all levels. It is true what they say, a rising tide lifts all boats. Okay, and number 2 here. Look at how minority groups and the poor have risen, as well as help all groups. His economic policies truly follow the saying, a rising tide lifts all boats. Okay, anyway, hope you got it. Hope it's clear. Hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.